Hi, my name is Mike Johnson. I'm showing you this 2010 Toyota Prius Premium 4 with the solar roof. This does have two keys. These keys are special keys for the solar roof that feature remote start air conditioning. Without using the remote start air conditioning, it does have a solar array that blows cool air through the cabin. On hot days, ambient air gets blown through and circulates out the heat, so it stays cool on a hot day. It does feature smart key system. Smart key system unlocks by sensing your hand and unlocks the car automatically. This does have full leather interior, real leather, not Softex material like the 2012 and newer cars have. This is real leather. And the front seats are heated seats. Armrest and a console here. Extremely clean inside this car. I don't see any blemish here. No blemishes there. No blemishes. No scratches or tears on the interior that I can see. Very clean. Now let's look at the technology. With Smart Key you have push to start. I close the door. This car has 30,000 miles on it. It's a 2010 Toyota Prius. I have all the books and manuals for it. Completed set of books and manuals. Power sunroof, of course. This car was built, a newer built car. The build date on this car is September 2010. This car, because it was built in 2010, features a USB port in the center console and the SOS OnStar type safety system. It supports live traffic via satellite and also satellite radio. When we're talking about the radio, we do have satellite tuner, and this has a Bluetooth audio streaming. Now, Bluetooth audio streaming is a key selling point. For example, I have music playing on my iPhone here, but any Bluetooth capable phone will do it. So as I select the music on my phone here, I can change the song from my phone or from the steering wheel, and it changes the music on that's streaming to the radio wirelessly, no wires. It is a JBL premium sound, so you can turn the volume all the way up. The volume sounds crystal clear all the way up to maximum. That's enough of that. But basically you can support playing music from your device wirelessly to the radio. In addition to that, this is the premium navigation with the big screen, and it holds 4 CDs behind the screen, as well as the navigation data disc. On the new Prius, they have a cheap navigation system, which you can barely see the screen. That's not like this one. This is an easy to see screen with a navigation, full screen nav, voice commands. So you just press the little button on the steering wheel and you give it a command. Destination.
Destination.
Previous destination.
Previous destinations.
5.
5.
Enter. It's that easy to navigate with this navigation, and you can do it at any driving speed. You don't have to pull over like the old Prius and punch in a destination. You can do this on the freeway with voice command. Hands-free voice navigation. It works really, really well. It understands everything I tell it, and it reminds you what you can tell it in case you forget, which is really nice. And it has 3 routes, so you can pick which route you want. You can punch in multiple destinations, and it's a very nice setup. It also features a backup camera, which As I back up here to the curb, I'm going to stop just short of the curb. There's a car going by.
Please proceed to the highlighted route, then the route guidance will start.
You see, backup camera is a great thing. Reduces your chance of an accident because it gives you a panorama view. These are extremely quiet and powerful cars. If you want to drive a Prius and you get the maximum fuel economy, you press and hold the eco button. It puts you in economy mode. It'll start up every time in economy mode. On the days where you miss your BMW, your Corvette, or your Camaro, you have power mode. It completely changes the personality of this car. Much more sporty, use a little bit more gas. So in power mode, you can ricky race around town, and you don't feel like you're driving an economy car any longer. It's very powerful, very fast car. Has a ton of power. The 2010 and newer Prius have telescopic wheel. All steering wheel controls for the air conditioning with touch sensitivity. So as I put my finger just barely touching it, I don't have to look at these buttons. I look up there at the road and it highlights what button I'm pressing. There's different menus here that you can toggle through. Shows us the fuel economy. This car has been averaging 47.1 miles per gallon. But different cars have different mileage. If you drive it in economy mode and you drive it following these little menus here, let me give you an example. In this screen here, as I accelerate, when I drive, it tells me if I'm using a lot of power, and when I decelerate, it goes into charge. That's your energy management screen. And if you manage your deceleration so that you recapture your energy, kinetic energy of the vehicle into the battery, then it's available to reuse, and that's how you get maximum gas mileage. You can get 53 miles per gallon with any of these Prius. They're fully capable of 53 miles per gallon. So give me a call. My name is Mike Johnson, 951-681-2101. I'm not a salesman. I'm the guy who buys these cars. I mechanically screen them for the top cars available, the best of the best, and still try to have them at a reasonable price. So give me a call, 951-681-2101. My name is Mike Johnson. I'm available between 9 a.m. and 9 p.m. Thank you.